مرحبا بكم في قناة أطلانتس، قناة العملات القديمة والنادرة. لا تنسوا بالضغط على زر الإعجاب وتفعيل جرس الاشتراك حتى يصلكم كل جديد على قناتنا.
10 most valuable Washington quarter coins worth money. Washington quarters have been minted since 1932, so there are a lot of them about, and some of them are worth a whole lot more than 25 cents. We're going to take a look at the 20 most valuable Washington quarters worth money. We'll find out what makes them desirable to collectors. And we'll discover just how much they're worth. Ready to hunt for treasure in your pocket change? 10 most valuable Washington quarters worth money. 1. 1966 clad Washington quarter, MS 68+. Almost all the most valuable Washington quarters are earlier coins made of silver. But more recent coins, made of copper clad in cupro-nickel, can be worth money too. Exactly how much depends on the coin type and its condition. A 1966 clad Washington quarter in grades up to MS 62+ is worth no more than its face value. At MS 63, though, the same coin is valued by the independent coin grading agency, the PCGS, at $8. The better the condition, the rarer the coin. At MS 66+, the value is $70, rising to $285 at MS 67, $1,350 at MS 67+, and $9,500 at MS 68. But only one coin has been graded MS 68+. As the best-in-class example, it's hugely desirable to collectors. It last changed hands in May 2023, selling for an impressive $21,000. 2. 1949 D Silver Washington Quarter, MS 68. The 1949 D Washington Quarter is amongst the harder to find examples from the 1940s. The original Denver mintage was just over 10 million coins, much lower than other years. In circulated condition, one of these coins will be worth $6 to $9. Gems are harder to find, with values starting at around $55. An example graded MS 67 is worth about $260. And 28 coins have been graded MS 67+, and are valued by the PCGS at $1,200 apiece. It last changed hands in June 2019, selling for an impressive $43,475. 3. 1955 D Silver Washington Quarter, MS 68. 1955 was another year with a relatively low mintage of Denver Washington quarters. Just over 3 million were struck. Survivors in circulated condition are worth between $6 and $9 apiece. Gem examples start at $40. The low mintage meant that many were carefully saved at the time by collectors expecting their value to rise. But that means they're plentiful today, keeping prices modest. Over 400 coins have been certified at MS 66 by the PCGS, which values them at $100. But only one coin has been graded MS 67+, and that's worth $40,800. 4. 1963 D Silver Washington Quarter, MS 68. The 1963 D was among the last of the Washington quarters to be made of silver. Circulated examples range in value from around $6 to $9. At MS 67, the 1963 quarter without a mint mark, struck in Philadelphia, is slightly more valuable, $9,000 compared to $7,000 for the 1963 D. But only the 1963 D can offer an MS 68 coin. And that one is valued by the PCGS at a hefty $24,000. 5. 1937 Silver Washington Quarter, MS 68. A 1937 quarter minted in Philadelphia graded 1 is worth around $26. At other circulated grades up to 35, values range from $8 to $10. Mint state coins start at $36. Gems, however, are rare. A coin graded MS 65 will be worth around $150. Values rise steeply from MS 67, $500, to MS67 plus, $2,500. Only 2 coins have been graded higher, at MS68, with each one valued by the PCGS at $25,000. 6. 1941 Silver Washington Quarter, MS68. The 1941 San Francisco Quarter is another collectible mintage. In gem condition, it's moderately scarce, with values starting at $75 and rising to $475 at MS67. The top 2 finest grades available, however, command much higher prices. At MS67 Plus, the PCGS values a 1941 quarter at $2,500. Only 1 coin has been graded MS68. Its unique status means it's valued at a cool $30,000. 7. 1947 Silver Washington Quarter, MS68. The 1947 quarter without a mint mark was struck in Philadelphia. At most grades, values are relatively modest. Circulated coins range from $6 to $9, while even a gem MS66 is worth around only $60. Just 4 coins share the title of finest known example, however. They're graded MS68, and one was last sold in 2021 for $32,400. Today, the PCGS values them at $35,000 apiece. 8. 1964 D Silver Washington Quarter, MS68. The 1964 D quarter was made in huge numbers. But despite this, it is relatively difficult to find examples in gem condition. An MS65 coin is worth around $30, rising to $110 at MS66 plus, $475 at MS67, and $1,700 at MS67 plus. So far, only 2 coins have been graded MS68. One of those last changed hands in 2021, selling for $38,400. Today, the PCGS places the value at $44,000 more. 9. 1948 Silver Washington Quarter, MS68 plus. Amongst the finest Washington quarters is a 1948 quarter struck in Philadelphia and graded MS68 plus. At other grades, values for this mintage are similar to those for other 1940s quarters. But the superlative grading of this coin makes it something special. Today, it's valued by the PCGS at $43,250. 10. 1932 D Silver Washington Quarter, MS66. The rarest of all Washington quarters in gem condition is the 1932 D. Values for circulated examples are strong too, starting at $70 for a coin graded. A mint state coin will be worth at least $1,100, while gems start at $12,500. The finest coin to have been certified by the PCGS is graded MS66 and valued at a breathtaking $144,000. The bottom line. The most valuable Washington quarters are those with the finest grading for their year and mint mark. The 1932 D and 1964 D are key dates. Interesting errors, like doubled die obverse and repunched mint marks, can add a premium to values too.